Dustin lost. That means that he's got to take the punishment that you guys decide.
Is it glued to my roof?
Well, yeah.
Oh my God. I hope this is worth it. I hope it was worth it.
I think I'm gonna have to change my whole color scheme for my build, so.
No, you don't. Then we can take photos together. What is up, guys? My name is Dustin Johnson. I'm the marketing manager for Custom Offsets. I'm sure many of you know me by now, AKA the guy with the pink truck. Now, my truck has not always been pink. When we built it about a year ago, almost to date, it was all black. I murdered it out completely. When Junior and I, we went down to Michigan. We went and picked up two vehicles, our Cummins and our Ridgeline that you guys have seen so much about, and then we raced them home. I lost the race with stakes on the line, but I didn't know what the stakes were.
You beast!
Apple by ball?
Hey, secret?
I don't know.
I got your pizza right here.
Huh? Are they close?
Yeah. Yeah. I got your pizza right here. What's up, bitches? So Junior took my truck for a couple weeks and hid it from me, and the guys decided that they wanted to wrap it pink and teal. And not only they wrap it pink and teal, they cut a hole with a Sawzall on my sunroof. They squatted the rear end, put daddy's money on the windshield, put a set of pink balls on the back of it. One's hanging from my mirror, which I still have in there. Especially the pink nutsack.
Honestly, at first I hated it and I couldn't believe that they did it because my truck, the way that it was mine. I loved it. It turned heads everywhere I go, but this thing completely changes the meaning of turn heads. Now, everywhere I go and every place I enter, from a gas station to a restaurant, it literally makes people smile. It makes them laugh. I don't know if they're laughing at me or laughing with me or whatever the case is, but I ended up deciding I was gonna keep it this way.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Do you love it?
Yes, we're admiring. I hope that's okay.
Oh, you can admire. You can take pictures. You can do whatever you want.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's unfortunately mine.
It is?
Yeah. In the essence of trying to make lemonade out of lemons, obviously my next step was to get a different set of wheels. When they originally wrapped the truck, they put pink and teal on the spokes of the Archon Lincolns that I had on there. And I hated the way that that looked because it was wrapped. It helped me visualize something in my head. And I was like, hey, the pink and teal wheels could actually work if it was done correctly. So I love the style of the TIS 561, so that's what I went with for this build. They came out with the wheel in a red machine face that was two-tone, and the wheel looked absolutely incredible, so I knew it was gonna be a perfect fit for what I wanted in two-tone. And I made two teal and pink and two pink and teal, and then put them on opposite sides of the truck. I was like, hey, that might just make this truck come together, because at the end of the day, I don't care. You know, it's my truck, it's my vehicle.
Oh, God.
I somehow got stuck bringing these things there to get mounted and balanced. Made sure that the wheels were going to be mounted with the tires going the right way for the proper sides of the vehicle that he needs them on. And now he's making me put his wheels on his truck. I'm just saying, if this was my truck, he would not have done any of this for me. Let that be known.
Hey, weren't you the one that won the bet?
Yeah, what the still doing this?
Come on.
I'm going to drill another hole in his roof at this point.
There it is.
Exact point of why you don't do with those trucks.
It didn't, we're good.
Dustin is going to kill you.
Why? Literally nothing happened. And this is when I can get loud and just talk over him because nothing happened. Hear me? Nothing happened.
I reached out to TIS and I told them what I was looking at, and they got me the set of wheels that I was looking for.
Man, this makes me nervous. I suck with stuff like this. I don't want to f*** up.
There's literally tape on it, so you can't f it up.
Oh.
This time around, I wanted to fill up the wheel wells a little bit better, so I went with a 26 by 14 on a 36-inch Versa tire. And in my opinion, I think this truck looks super sick, but that's where you guys decide.
It's definitely a look, but it all makes sense. It makes sense, yeah. God, I just want to say, I'm a party girl in a party world.
Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, that is your creation.
Think the world's mad yet?
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life in plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, that is your creation.
The next question I've had forever is, how do you go back from this? All of this is just a wrap. It can all be removed, but for now, I've decided that I am gonna keep it this colorway because I think it's epic. It just literally stands out, and at the end of the day, it's mine. So us here, we tend to change wheels once a year. We try new things, we try new models, but yeah, I mean, this model of the TIS wheel, I absolutely love. It's a full face wheel. You know, it has very minimal openings inside of the spokes. I think it looks super sick in a two-tone color, and it just made complete sense for what I wanted to do. What am I gonna do next with the truck? So I think I am gonna do a neutral tone powder coating on all the suspension. I had the frame ice blasted, you know, so we removed all the rust off the frame. And from there, we'll see what happens. I don't know what's next. I don't know if I wanna go with 2 different colors. I don't know if I wanna go, you know, back to black. I can say whatever vehicle I get next will always have some sort of vibrant color on my truck, because I just honestly, I like the way it turns heads. I like the way the community reacts. I like the way it stands out from every other black truck on the road. And like I said, man, haters can hate all they want, but what you can't argue is the fact that I did it right.